Modern manufacturing needs orchestration of all elements, from the shop floor up to enterprise-wide communication. Step-by-step digitalization of processes and equipment has created multiple data lakes over different information silos. Now it's time for a comprehensive solution. Brick Reply ties up the loose ends by connecting to all devices on the shop floor and making their data accessible for central operations management. But what can you do with the data? Workers can see results of all performed operations in a single place. Maintenance operators can see the condition of each piece of equipment in real time. The management team is always up to date about ongoing production across multiple sites. And because communication runs both ways, you can also inform workers, robots, or any connected device what action needs to be taken next. Do you think this is something for big enterprises? Brick Reply allows you to start small, perhaps with a single production unit or a single line. No hardware investment up front, no interruption of the production. Brick Reply, the platform for Industry 4.0 manufacturing operations.